I apologize kasi you didn't leave me with no choice. And you offered me so much opportunity. Sorry kasi hindi ko pinahalagahan yun. Kaya siguro every time na mag-uusap tayo, I seem apologetic. Kahit nasabihin yung okay na. Kahit pa paano, it meant a lot to me, the help that you lent me growing up. I regret that I didn't give importance. I spoke to my aunt the other day, hearing her say that despite everything that happened in the past, she never not thought of me as her own child. And I guess this spur of willingness in me began to light up again. Yeah, I'm so this close to giving up. I wasn't open before. That was my mistake. The people who's left, who somehow still cares if I'm alive, I'm still here. Bukod sa hindi pagpapahalaga or minsan kinakalimutan, there's also not staying still. Hindi pa nananatili sa isang lugar. Ewan ko. I think I've grown scared. Scarcity mindset is what really plays a big part of why I always keep running away. I might be safe for a while, but I know that it wouldn't be always. Mga nauna kong kamag-anak na who's always been there for me, and I thank them for their trust, opportunity. Because it's not all a waste, because I use them now, things that I've learned, for my next journey again. I haven't been proud of how I chose to live my life in the past years. In return, I endangered my life, but I'm taking care of myself. Plano ko naman talaga nung una, make a living out of my life, out of myself. Ano daw? Parang ano ba? Gawa ng paraan pang araw-araw ko. Yung mga times na yung decision making ko is being alone all the time. Since the beginning, syempre sa akin lang din naman it fell on me. Not every time my decision is clear, well thought out. As you know, being led by myself, a little bit of faith, my mga mishaps kind of fucked up my life. I have a friend that I'd stay with in Cebu. This isn't my house, by the way. I'm only staying here for a bit because I have to take care of some things. Friend that I'll be staying with, I hope that we get along just fine. And I lived with her for a year. I hope we won't have issues now. The job that I may get this time, inisip ko kasi disposable lang siya. Hindi ko inisip na. Kasi minsan due to my trauma, it automatically forgets some things. Conveniently, the most important things that I shouldn't forgets it. Pag may trabaho ko, hindi ko isipin na I shouldn't leave. I do. Pero when magkaroon ako ulit ng work, no matter what work it is, God, it's been so long. I keep telling myself this, why do I keep forgetting? I don't know, siguro there's a part of me na hinahanap ko pa din yung guidance. Nurture, security, and all of that shit. Hindi ko naman siguro kaya lahat ibigay sa sarili ko yun. That's no excuse. I must do it. Maybe guidance can come from God. Hati-hatiin ko na lang yan yung mga, mga pangungulila ko. Kapag hati-hatiin ko na lang din with faith, myself, and my soul before hindi ako gaano ka-open. And look where it got me. It might seem stupid to some people na I had bad situations with na until now, binibring up ko pa din na I'm sorry. Pero sa akin kasi, it means a whole deal that I know that I've asked for forgiveness. Kasi I know na kahit bumuti man yung buhay ko, pamangat ako from my situation now, I would still carry that. And I hope that you see it in yourself not to hear me. I'm not forcing you, but it would really mean a lot. So that's why when my aunt told me those words, it somehow made it even lighter. I will no longer come back to Manila, especially not for the reason that I had before. I'm happy that I was able to make it here. It's where I saw myself that I'll be okay, no matter how bad it gets. I still have a lot to learn, no matter how much I tell myself that I've already lived a lifetime. Realizing the significance of things, no longer running away, communication, making it right, that the help I get from others won't be forever. I hear crying in the background. What the fuck? Don't kill me. So yeah. Namiss ko pa din si Papa. I wish he was able to see me improve. I wish that the people that I had before was able to see me become the person I know that I can be. I'm not proud of how I lived. It sucks that you get to understand things when everything is gone. You get to understand life too late, far too late. And when you hope to reach those people, they are far from reach. I guess that's why I'm bitter in life. The idea na hindi mo talaga mapipilit. But I'm really glad when I was really in need of help, people came. My friends, I hope going forward, I make the right decisions. And I seek guidance from God. Kasi totoo lang pag nahihirapan na ako, I turn to what I'm most comfortable with. Running away, starting over again. There's only so much roads to walk on. Eventually, we come to a dead end. Whatever we made up of our lives, judgment is what's left for us. I hope that I still have plenty of roads. No more starting over. This is it. Final straw. Final bold stroke that I make. And I pray that it's calm and filled with nothing but peace. That's all I ask, really. I don't ask for riches. This is a good video, by the way. It's not sad. This is legit. This is good. I guess in a way I'm happy. I took those roads, those rough terrains, and I got to learn out of it. Although, medyo nahirapan. Nagkasakit. Nagka-dengue ako ng malala, girl. I had eczema on my face, everywhere. I got so thin, I got so weak. My hair started falling out. I hope it won't happen again. Because I truly believe that I found myself. Diba? Ako na nga lang yung the one who's always been there. It's always been me. It's ironic that I hadn't already found myself. I don't know. Life comes in full circle like that. I think it's inevitable. I mean, I've had inklings that life would turn out this way. I didn't know that it was like this. Finally was in that position. Always really right that we unahan tayo ng gratitude and kindness. In the same way na I have this view of the world now. I can solve everything through in a calm manner, and I can't really force them. Inuobliga ko yung mundo na to be nice to me because I kind of get life now. But I guess that's not the case. You just let things unfold in their own time, just like how life let me. Nobody forced me to. So I was dragged onto the mud to get there, but got there. I like to envision that when life too gets there, really a nice life to live in that life. Katrabaho ko palagi yung pinapagalitan. Na totoo lang, di ko naman talaga kasalanan. Why can't we do things this way? And then also circles back to I made mistakes. Why couldn't I done that? Patience and consideration. Understanding and consideration. Yeah. So yun yung plano ko. When I get work, I stay with that work. No matter what. No excuses if I have to walk all the way from home to there, wherever home is. I don't know if I can swim in that.